So I just want to make a quick video. Um, as you'll see in my latest videos, I'm learning Spanish. I'm 7 months into it and doing the Duolingo, doing the YouTube videos. I can tell y'all if you want the resources I'm using as far as YouTubers. But also, I want to know if having unedited videos as far as a progress report or as far as like uh, aiming for a goal, writing a book, losing weight, learning a new language. I just wanted to see if something like that would be not too boring where it's unedited, but not too like short where it just it's like a 5 minute video and over a 5 month real time, day at a time kind of thing. And I think there's a certain amount that's too long and too short. But yeah, unedited video coming soon, sooner or later. See y'all.